Hello everyone, I am here today to do a video on how to use Clipart from Clipart.com in Shutterfly for my scrapbooking. If this is something that you're interested in, keep watching and I will show you how. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you how I can use Clipart.com for my Shutterfly book. So what I can do is I can go to the Clipart. I can find a picture that I want to use. They have Clipart, 3D, Clipart, photos, photo objects, HD video, sounds, fonts, and illustrations. Today I'm going to be mostly working with the Clipart because it's for scrapbooking, and they have the New Year Clipart, Christmas Clipart, Winter Clipart, and then the new Clipart. And then underneath it you can look at all these different categories that you can use. And for this purpose we're going to go do sports. And my kids just finished up their soccer season, so you can even go into the search bar and do soccer ball, soccer, something like that. You can go to Clipart. You can also, go and choose video, sound. You can choose from any of these different options, but today we're going to stick with Clipart. Push go, and then there's all these different options you can choose from. And for today we will use, let's see, how about this cute little kid right here, since it's for the kids. I'll save it as a JPEG. You can even choose the size, and I'll just choose about 400 megapixels. You download it, and then once it's downloaded, you can right click and save the image as a soccer boy. And then you can save that. And then you can come over to the Shutterfly and you can go to that one. So I can go to my account and go to my photo book. Oh shoot. Okay, we'll just do this one. So what you can do is, this is not a finished book at all. They're just organized so that I can make the book hopefully someday. So what we can do is we can add a photo area, and we can I'm gonna put it over here just because there's more room. And since the boy is kind of tall, we'll do that, and we'll just drag that in there. And it says that we're out of we can make it a little bit smaller, put him right there. And that is how you can use the Clipart, there we go, in your scrapbook from Clipart.com, which is super cool. And you can do that with a background. If you want, I can show you how to do, I'll add a page right here. We'll do a blank page. You can go to your photos. I downloaded a Christmas background, like trees with snow, something like that. This is cute. Let's see, let's do a background more like something like this. And then Christmas one, choose for upload, and then add that to it. So now it's down here, and you can, the problem is I didn't make it very big, so I need to add it as a JPEG. I'm going to do full size and then download it. And then save as. This should be better. And then we'll just delete this one because we don't want that. So yeah, it's really important to make sure that you choose a big one if you're going to use it as your background. And then we're going to go to add photos from my computer, choose your photos, and then we're going to choose actually it's not the Christmas one, it's this one. And then we'll put it in here. And now, let's see if this will work better. So now we can make it fill our page. Like that. And it's still uploading, so it's kind of pixelated. But once it's done uploading, it won't be so pixelated. You can put it, let's see, send backwards, and that can be the background. I know it doesn't really go with that picture, but yeah, so that's how you can use the Clipart.com on your personal scrapbook pages that you're doing in Shutterfly. This is for personal use. If you want to look at the terms and conditions on here, you can find them down at the bottom. You can compare the subscriptions, and when you click that, it'll tell you what's allowed for this. So you can use it for digital scrapbooking. Individual use is allowed. So you can do that. You can use it for that. And yeah, it's just, there's so many different things, so many different clip art that you can use on here. And you just have to pay the subscription. I think you can get it. So if you want to do a 1 week, it's $12.95. 1 month is $30. 3 months is $50. 6 months is $62. And for you guys, I have a discount, and I will link that in the description below if you want to try this out, see if you like it. Clipart.com. And I hope you guys liked this video. If it was helpful, please leave me a like, comment, share it. That'd be much appreciated. And if you'd like to see other things that you can do with it, just leave a comment below, and I would love to help you out and do another video. Thanks for watching.